Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Perplexity AI account. So if you also want to sign in Perplexity AI account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Perplexity AI application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Perplexity AI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So Perplexity is a free AI powered answer engine. It provides accurate, trusted and real-time answers to any questions. So if you want to sign into Perplexity account, it is very simple. Right over here, you can see three options: continue with Google, continue with email and continue with SSO. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on continue with Google. Now wait for a while. You'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the account that you want to choose to continue to Perplexity. Now wait for a while. Now Perplexity will sign you in to your account. You can see over here I'm signed in to my account. So that is how you sign into Perplexity AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.